Hello my friend, now we will learn how to burn a music to a CD. Simply, we should have a blank CD first and a music's file. As you can see, we have two music's file. Okay, now go to search bar and search for Windows Media Player. As you can see, simply Windows Media Player. Click. Now in this window, click Burn in right pane, as you can see here. Then drag and drop the music file to here. Okay, as you can see, this music file. Okay, mark all, then drag and drop to this location, as you can see. Okay, now close the music file. Now we have two music file. Simply go and press or click start burn. That's it.